Children, today we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter 8, measurement of capacity. Okay, so measurement of, first of all we learnt about measurement of length, then measurement of mass, and now it is measurement of capacity. Measurement of length means measurement of any distance, okay, from one point to another point, and mass means that is weight. Okay, and now measurement of capacity means when you measure any liquid thing like milk, oil, water, okay, juice, that is called capacity. Okay, because liquids are measured through any container. Okay, as they can easily flow from one place to another place, we can't measure itself, we have to put it in some container and measure it. Okay, and liquids are measured in liter and milliliter. Okay, small quantities are measured in milliliter and large quantities are measured in liter. So now have a look at your book and see. You might have seen the water bottle, it is of 1 liter bottle. Okay, it is written 1 liter, this the capacity of this water bottle. So like this you have liquid things. Okay, small amount of liquid is measured in milliliter and bigger amount, large amount in liter. And now see, the capacity is measured in terms of, see, this is very important. Now see page number 145, measuring capacity. This is very important. Capacity is measured in terms of liter and milliliter. Liter is the standard unit for measuring the capacity of a container. We use the symbol L for liter and ml for milliliter. Okay, and make a correction here. Liter is used to measure large capacities such as oil, water, milk. Okay, and milliliter is used to measure small capacities like cough syrup, juice box, like this. Okay, so now standard measure we use in our daily life. When you visit to the petrol pump, you might have seen such type of containers they have to measure the petrol or fuel, and you might have seen such type of containers, measuring containers with a milk vendor. Okay, they have, it is a 50 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 500 milliliter, 1 liter or 1000 milliliter. Same way they have different capacity, containers of different capacities. Okay, and this is very important point, some points that I have noted, you have to write in your notebook. See, capacity means the amount of liquid present in a container. Capacity is measured in dash and dash, liter and milliliter. Dash is used to measure large capacities, liter. Dash is used to measure small capacities, milliliter. And then 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. The short form of liter is L and milliliter is ml. To convert liter into milliliter, we multiply by 1000. That means we multiply the number of liter by 1000. Liter is bigger unit, milliliter is smaller unit. And just vice versa, when you convert milliliter into liter, smaller to bigger unit, you divide by 1000. Okay, now see the exercise 8.1 of your book. The first question will solve now. Convert the following in milliliter. Okay, few questions will solve from the book. So when you are changing liter into milliliter, what we have to do? I told you we have to multiply by 1000. Okay, now see here, 8 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 8 multiplied by 1000, 8000 milliliter. 11 liter equal to 11 multiplied by 1000, 11,000 milliliter. Why you are multiplying by 1000? Because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, that's why. Now 6 liter, 500 milliliter. This is one number only. Okay, when you are changing, first we have to change 6 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 6 multiplied by 1000, 6000 milliliter. And this 500 milliliter is already in milliliter form. So what we have to do? Just to take and add with this. It is 6500 milliliter. Same way 13 liter will change into 13,000 plus this 52 milliliter. And very important, how you are arranging the numbers. You have to write in proper boxes. And when you are writing this 52, that means you start from 1's place, 10's place. Okay, don't start from left to right. Start from right to left. Next, these two questions are your homework. 17 liter 250 milliliter, 38 liter 45 milliliter. Okay, convert into milliliter. So next question 2, express the following in liter and milliliter. Okay, so milliliter, the question is in milliliter form, we have to change into liter. That means smaller to bigger unit. So when you are changing smaller to bigger unit, what you have to do? You have to divide. Okay, now see, we have to divide. 3000 milliliter is equal to how many liter? 3000 divided by 1000. And very simple way to divide. How many zeros are there? 1. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So these 3 place you remove, 1, tens and 100 place. This will go to milliliter. And whatever left, that is liter. So here it is 3 liter and 0 milliliter. Same way, 6350 divided by 1000. This 3 place 350 milliliter and 1000 place is liter. Same way, here it is 13 liter 675 milliliter, 9 liter 680 milliliter. And these two are your homework. 4050 milliliter change into liter and milliliter. How many liter and how many milliliter? And 26,444 milliliter is equal to how many liter and milliliter. Same process you follow. Now the last question is match the user with apparatus. Okay, so here you can do in book also, or if you like to do in copy, you can draw and do in copy also. Science lab, milk vendor, medicine, serviceman at petrol pump. You can see this type of containers apparatus there. Okay, I told you this is used by the petrol pump. Okay, and this one used by milk vendor. Then these two are left. Okay, one is used for medicine and another is used in science lab. This is called beaker, and this beaker is used in science lab where the markings are there measuring. Okay, and you must have used such type of small cups or caps like measuring to measure medicine. Okay, so now like this you have to match. Science lab, see the science lab third, it is beaker, and then milk vendor second, medicine fourth, and serviceman at petrol pump, it is first one. Okay, this is first one. D I. Okay, science lab A, science lab, you have to match this 3. Okay, milk vendor this one, medicine this one, serviceman at petrol pump this one. So in this way you complete exercise 8.1 in copy.